Welcome to this tutorial on admission management within the Schoyo platform. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to configure admission settings, manage inquiries, and process payments. From your Schoyo dashboard, locate and click on School ERP. Next, click on Admission Management. On the Admission Management page, click on Admission Config. Then, click the Add Admission Config button. In the Admission Configuration pop-up, fill in the necessary details. Once all details are entered, click Save. With the configuration complete, let's look at handling admission inquiries. Here, you'll find the admission inquiry form. Fill in the required details for the new inquiry. After filling out the form, click Create Inquiry. Now, let's see how to add an admission payment. In the Admissions Overview table, locate the inquiry you just created. Click on the Add to Pay the Fee button, which looks like a calculator icon. In the Add Admission Payment pop-up, fill in the payment details. Once done, click Save. Finally, let's review and accept an admission inquiry. From the Admissions Overview, click on the question mark sign next to the inquiry you want to accept. Review the details in the admission review form. Click on Accept. In the Confirm Action pop-up, click Confirm to finalize the acceptance. You have successfully learned how to manage admissions within the Schoyo platform. This includes configuring settings, creating inquiries, processing payments, and accepting applications. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please refer to our support documentation.